Let's take a look at your MT8-LT1 assignment, problem number 3. If we take a look, we're supposed to find the geometric mean between 4/5 and 2. Well, the geometric mean is going to be the square root of the product of the two numbers. Arithmetic mean we add and divide by 2. Geometric mean we multiply and take the square root. So we're going to find the square root of 4/5 times 2. Well, 4/5 times 2, well, that's 8/5. Now we could, at this point, find the approximate answer. So let's take the square root of 8/5. And you get about 1.26. You might simplify this. I have the square root of 8 over the square root of 5. Well, the square root of 8, if we make a factor tree, that's a square root of 2 times the square root of 4, and the square root of 4 is 2, so it's 2 radical 2 divided by the square root of 5. Except we can't have the square root of 5 in the denominator. So we multiply the numerator and denominator by the square root of 5. Notice the square root of 5 divided by the square root of 5 is 1. I'm not really changing anything. When you multiply a fraction by 1, you get the same thing back. Except now I'm going to multiply my radicals. 2 times 5, so I get 2 square roots of 10 all over the square root of 5 times the square root of 5. Well, that's the square root of 5 squared, and the square root of 5 squared is 5. Because in America, we can't have the square root in the denominator. So the exact answer is 2 square roots of 10 over 5. And just to show you, if we type that into our calculator, 2 times the square root of 10, and if I take that answer and I divide it by 5, notice you get the same approximate decimal, so 1.26. Whoops, wanted to see that. So here's the exact answer, and then here's the approximate answer. Either was right depending on your directions.